All right, so the next thing we need to make sure that we all know how to do is making sure that we know how to log off and disconnect from the computers when we are done with them. So this is going to be our view. This is if we are using the Chrome-based application. So you can, let's say we're all done with the computer. You can either click on the Start menu, go to your icon up here, and it should populate and say sign out if for some reason you're having an issue like this that I'm having right now. We can also right click on the start icon. You can go to shut down or sign out. And in this option, we can also just restart the computer. When you restart the computer, it'll break your connection and it will allow the computer to be re-signed in as soon as it starts back up. So you have two options. You can either restart the computer or you can actually click on your name, and if we can get it to work, I could show you exactly what it is. You will have a sign out option up there. Once you do that, then you will need to come to this drop down arrow and you will actually need to disconnect. You have to disconnect if you're just signing out because the computer will still be on. If you choose to restart, that will disconnect and sign you out all at the same time. So that is how we can do it in the Chrome web-based app. So I'm going to disconnect from this right now. And then your other option, if we're in Splashtop Business and we are connected to a computer, I'm going to connect to two. We're going to log in. We're going to click login. So if you're in the Android-based app, we can go to the Start menu, click on the icon, click Sign Out when it populates right here. And then once you are signed out, you would click on this arrow over down here where my mouse is to the right. You have a square icon right here with the little 3 red lines. You would click on that, and then you would click on Disconnect. So for this, I'm just going to restart this computer as well. So I'm going to restart, and then as the computer is restarting, I'm going to disconnect just so that I can be free of it. Click OK. And that's all we have. The Windows-based application will have a similar look to the Google Play Store app as well.